Once you've powered on the tablet, go ahead and accept the agreement for the user and the privacy by checking that box right there and then clicking on next right here. Then after you've connected to your Wi-Fi, you do have the option to go ahead and copy your existing apps, but for this we won't be, so let's click Don't Copy. Next, you have the option of setting up the tablet for an adult or teen or a child. Let's go ahead and click on Adult here. And this is optional. If you do have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and sign in, but we'll be clicking on Skip, sorry. Go ahead and agree to skipping the account setup. Next, you get to the Google services. I've gone ahead and disabled those, but you can read through them and choose to enable whichever ones you want. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Accept. Next, you have some privacy and basic settings. Again, I've disabled those, but again, you can read through and make the choice for yourself. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Next. Now you do have the option to set up a device password. You can do password or face recognition. I'll be choosing to ignore this, so I'll be doing skip. And just go ahead and agree to skipping this section here by clicking on skip. Now we get to review which of the apps we want to install with the tablet. Go on through and you can check or uncheck the ones that you don't want. Once you're done, go ahead and click on OK. Next, you have the system navigation. You can go ahead and use the gestures or the 3-button navigation. I'll leave the gesture navigation selected by default and then click Next. And now we're on the welcome screen. Let's go ahead and click Get Started. And now we are going into the Lenovo tablet. And just like that, we've now reached the home screen for the Lenovo tablet here. You do see all the apps that comes with it here. And this completes the initial setup process for your Lenovo tablet.